Okay, welcome to part 6, which is the final part for this practical. Create a numbered IP ACL rule number 100 on R3. So on R3, block all the packets containing the source IP address from the following pool of addresses which they have given. Any RFC 1918 private address or loopback address or any IP multicast address, since PCC on the right hand side is being used for remote administration permit SSH traffic. So from PCC, remote administration SSH traffic will be permitted from this network, that is 10.0.0, which is the network of all the three routers, to return to the host PCC. So let's configure ACL 100 to block all the specified traffic from the outside network, and even we should also block the traffic source from your own internal address space if it is not an RFC 1918 address. Okay, so let's see what are the commands we have to fire on the R3. So this is the first command, that access layer 100 rule number permitting TCP protocol on this network. The wildcard mask will be different, because if you saw my first video while setting up the configuration, I just avoided the confusion basically. So the network mask will be, in our case, will be, even if it is kept like this also, it will still consider actually. Even if it is kept like this, it will still consider. So let it be. Let's see if it works in our case. Okay, so first thing what we have to do here, that we have to access the list 100, permit the TCP, and this is the network we have to permit wildcard mask of it. In our case, it will become 0.0.0.255 in my case. Okay, because I have specified the subnet mask specifically to 255.255.255.0 to just to make the things constant throughout. And then this host, okay, for this host, denying this IP address any, then again denying for this IP address any, and then again denying for this IP address any, loopback address, some other address, okay, permitting IP any. So let's see, let's copy this. Okay, go to router R3. We are on R3 only, so right click and paste it and then enter. Okay, so we are done with this. Now step number 2, like apply the ACL interface, the group which you have made. Use the IP access group command to apply the access list to all the incoming traffic of the interface serial 01001. Okay, incoming traffic. Okay, for in our case it is not serial 001. In our case it is, I'll check the incoming traffic towards this network is through serial 011. Serial 011. Okay, so for that I just have to specify here serial 011, and then I'll fire this command. So let's copy this command, go to router R3. Okay, let's type the interface SE space 01 space 1, and then we are in configuration interface mode. Click enter, done. So after placing all this command, you all can confirm that specified traffic entering the interface 011 is handled correctly. Means you will be not receiving the echo replies which have been blocked through this ACL now. If you try to ping from PCC to PCA, and even, but it will allow you for the SSH session to connect from PCC to that loopback address of the router R2. That's it from this part. Thank you.
That's all guys from this video. If you really like this video, press like button and do subscribe to our channel. If any queries or suggestions, do comment below. For more such updates, follow us on Instagram and Facebook.